guys, so today I will be talking to you regarding how I got my 17 Pro Max, and I'll give you the backstory. I'll show you the phone, I'll unbox it with you guys, and yeah, we can customize it later on in the next video, but today I will be unboxing it for sure. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. And I have a lot of tech, you can see, and yeah, I do a lot of tech videos, so if you're interested, subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. So the backstory of me getting a 17 Pro Max was the fact that I used to own a 13 Pro Max, and to be honest, the battery health and everything was going down. The phone was very old and it was getting degraded day by day, and I had to make a change. So I was not sure whether I should go for the battery replacement or should I go for the change of phones. So I was not sure about it, but then I thought, and also my iPhone 13 Pro Max was like the camera lens got broke. So I was like, okay, I'll get a lesser price if I sell it later on. So I thought it's best to sell it at the right point and get a new phone. So that is what I did, and I sold my 13 Pro Max for around 30,000. And yeah, so through that I got my new iPhone, and yeah, it has costing me a lot, but I think it was worth it because I needed to upgrade, and I need a phone for at least minimum 4 to 5 years more, so I can upgrade into a new one. And with the RAM prices and everything is so weird, and like investing in anything is very, like, not sure about it. So that is when I was like, okay, I need to make some proper decision, and then I need to get a phone. So I made that decision. Here we are regarding all of that. So yeah, let's see the unboxing, and I have already unboxed it in the shop itself, because here we need to check as to whether it's good or not, or like the condition is good or not. But I'll be unboxing with you guys as well, because I really want to do that. And yeah.